Hello, welcome to another Olympiad math video. In this video we're solving for 4 to the power of x plus 16 to the power of x is equal to 272. First thing we're going to do is rewrite 16 so that it has a base of 4. So 16 can be rewritten as 4 squared. So I have 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of 2x is equal to 272. Now, using exponent properties, we can say that since a to the power of b times c, or 2 times x, we can pull out our c value or our b value and have it to that power. So it can be a to the power of b to the power of c. So in this case, we're going to pull our 2 to the outside. So we'll have 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x squared is equal to 272. Now that we have done this, we can substitute 4 to the power of x for, we'll say, the letter u. So we'll say 4 to the power of x is equal to u, which means we'll have u plus u squared is equal to 272, or if we subtract 272, we'll have u plus u squared, or u squared plus u minus 272. Now that we have it in this form, we can apply the quadratic formula. And if you're unfamiliar with how to use the quadratic formula, I have a video posted on it, so please check that out if you need help. But we would plug in our a and our b and our c values, and it would look like this, and then we would end up with a negative 1 plus or minus 33 over 2 times 1, which, because of the plus or minus, we would end up with two different answers: a negative 1 plus 33 over 2, or a negative 1 minus 33 over 2. So we can simplify that a little further. Let's move on to a clean slide. We can now as well reduce these. So 32 over 2 is equivalent to 16. And that solves the left one. Now the right one, we'd end up with a negative 34 over 2, which would reduce down to 17. So now that we have solved for u in both these cases, we can resubstitute our original u value, which is 4 to the power of x, back into this equation. So we'd have 4 to the power of x is equal to 16. And we'd also have 4 to the power of x is equal to negative 17. Now right away, we need to recognize that a value to an exponent will never give us a negative number. So no value for x would give us a negative 17. So therefore, there's no real solution to 4 to the power of x is equal to negative 17. So that is not an option. Now on the left side, we should be able to recognize that 4 squared is equal to 16. So therefore, our x value would be 2. So x is equal to 2. And that is how you solve that Olympiad math problem. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you thought this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Otherwise, thank you for watching.